Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I ordered stuff from amazon.co.uk that I want us to unbox. Check it out and see what is inside. Soundcore Boom 2 Plus. Hard pounding bass, Soundcore Anchor Boom 2 Plus, outdoor speaker, Bluetooth speaker with 140 watts, 2+2 channel, bass up 2.0, 20 hours, fast charger, IPX7 waterproof, RGB light, USB-C, power bank. This speaker is for camping, beach, garden, max booming bass. You feel the power of the bass in every song with dual woofer depth and clarity. With bass up 2.0, the output is boosted from 100 watts to staggering 140 watts max. That is 160% more than first generation of bass up. 2+2 stereo clarity, dual 50 watts woofers and dual 20 watts twister. Deliver crisp, high, deep and low balance by smart crossover technology for an immersive audio experience. Pair with 30 watts charger to fully charge Boom 2 Plus outdoor speaker in just 3 hours. Customizable Pro equalizer to help you find the perfect sound for any song. And with PartyCast 2.0, you can connect up to 100 plus speakers to take the party to the next level. This is what we have here. We're going to unbox this stuff, check it out and see what is inside. I hope it will help you to make a fun choice. This speaker also got detachable strap, Soundcore app, download from Apple Store and Google Play Store. This is the cable here. Strap. I like the packaging. Nice. You also have the information pack with recycled stuff. Beautiful. Brilliant, look at that. See what it looks like. Beautiful, very nice. Plastic. And the strap goes in here to the side. So this strap goes in here. Put this and then use this. Take it inside. So this is how to put the strap on. Then the other end, take the strap, go in, just slide it in to the hook and this end. This is what it looks like. And this is the cable for you to charge this up. C to C cable. If you want to charge this up, you need to take the cable, go at the back, connect the cable to charge in or out. Then plug it onto the power. And the light is highlighting here. This button here is bass up. This is Bluetooth button. Minus is for you to decrease the volume. The center one is pause and play. This button here is for you to increase the volume. And this is for you to control the light. This button here is PartyCast. So switch this speaker on. I want to show you how to connect this speaker with your mobile phone using AUX cable. Take this end of the cable to your mobile phone. Then go at the back and hook this cable, the other end, to AUX. So push it inside. Now the next thing you need to do is you need to go to where you save music on your phone. Select. Here we go. So if you remove the cable, it will no longer play. There we go. If you want to control this with app, then you need to switch the Bluetooth on. If you want to control the speaker from the app, then you need to switch Bluetooth on so that it will pick up the speaker from the app. From this app, you select particular light you want. So you have various lights. And also from the app, you select bass 2.0. You can also select this from the speaker as well. You can switch the bass off. So the bass is off, and it's also off from the app. If you select it, the light will be showing here, and also it will show you the light is on as well.
I promised I would wait for you, but I'm getting so impatient. Tell me that you're ready now. This room is big enough for two, and I wanna do that something that will blow your mind. Do you know the things you do to me? Judge me and I'll make you understand. Yeah. Do you know the things you make me feel? I can show you if you take my hand. I just wanna dance with you. Let me take you under where nobody can see. I just wanna dance with you. Harder than the summer, so put your hands on me. Put your hands on me, on me. Put your hands on me, on me, on me. Put your hands on me, on me, on me. Put your hands on me, on me, Before you, I was paralyzed, all broken down from heartbreaks. Then you came and set me free. You've taken me to paradise, where nothing is a mistake, where we move so flawlessly. Do you know the things you do to me? Touch me and I'll make you understand. Do you know the things you make me feel? I can show you if you take my hand. I just wanna dance with you. Let me take you under where nobody can see. I just wanna dance with you. Harder than the summer, so put your hands on me. Put your hands on me, on me, on me. Smells like thinking, I get why you left. Small-minded people, sure know how to drink. I came to the party, I laughed at the jokes you made. I wish that I hadn't, 'cause now the joke's on me. I didn't come here just so I could watch you make a mess. I didn't come here to argue, crying my favorite dress. So now
So you can select pause and play from the app as well.
Just one glass in, you're already on my mind. When it gets late, I wanna wake up in the morning with someone new. I wanna do the things they say we shouldn't do. I wanna wake up in the morning with someone new. Live life like it's a reason, break the rules. I wanna wake up in the morning.
This speaker deserves your attention. I'm happy with this. It's value for money. My only concern is the cable. You need to find the adapter to go with this. Other than that, this speaker deserves your attention. Also got strap, can move it around. It's not that heavy, and the app also is beautiful. Can do so many functions with the app. So if I like the lights, so much you can do with this speaker. You also have option for you to customize the equal, so you can select the preset, but if you want your own also, you can also go and select custom equalizer. Thank you very much indeed, guys. Like, share and subscribe. It helps the channel. I'm happy with this speaker, Soundcore Boom 2 Plus. Thank you.